By studying your organism and understanding its structure, each of you, every evolved human being, understands how complex your body's system is, how complex the very workings of your cells are, how much accurate and correct is your mechanism, internal mechanism creating life within you. And modern science and modern technologies that have now come to the planet tell us that the human cell is a very complex enterprise. It's compared to the outer space within which there is absolutely everything. The 4 chromosomes store in themselves the greatest amount of information. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. They are carriers of the greatest cosmic volume of software for the life of a cell. And every cell, it turns out, possesses a certain great ability. Every single cell has the ability of telepathy and teleportation. So, your cells and the metal enzymes in your cells are capable of reading and transmitting information. And when this process takes place, you have new cells being born. Inside of us, every second, every instant, unknowingly to every person, dies a huge number of cells, and in their place, a huge number of new young cells are born, which enable us to continue living, to be healthy, to have high immunity, developed consciousness, and so on. In other words, a whole strong biological organism. Your cells every moment receive energy informational waves, which are read by the enzymes of metals. It's been scientifically proven. Then they pass on this information, these programs to your DNA. RNA transmits the program to DNA. DNA encodes it and starts to create an internal state within you. Therefore, my friends, when you hear something, you immediately experience inner self-coding. And if you hear something and especially believe in it very strongly, that is, you're deeply into something and you're scared, or vice versa, or you want something very strongly, or you are drawn to something, or you like something very much. This means that you have received a wave of information perceived by yourselves. Having perceived the information, your cells self-coded. By self-coding themselves, they began to work already on new self-coded information fields. That is information. And RNA has already encoded that information because it is the carrier of the energy informational component. A scientific fact recently proven, that is, human DNA can indeed change its program software. When you, here is a scientific fact, if you, let's say, repeat a phrase to yourself, or some good poem, or a positive creative thought 3 times each day for 21 days, this becomes your life program. That is, your DNA starts working exactly according to that program. It's a scientific fact. All that's left for humanity is to learn to think right and to, let's say, self-program. Create your own life program. And your cells, your informational component, your internal mechanism is ready to perceive and reproduce it.